everyone, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, even though it's going to be very interesting. So today I'm going to show you how to gain a lot of followers on TikTok, because so many people ask, Daniela, how do you gain so many followers? So I'm going to show you how to do that, but one of the most important things is stay to the end, because there are going to be a lot of helpful tips and hacks. So currently I have 476,000 followers, and all of them are real. By the way, we're not gonna need any other app. The only app we're gonna need is TikTok. So we're gonna gain only real followers, because you can download an app and gain fake followers, but it's not gonna be interesting. It's better if you know that all your followers are real, right? But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. It's very good if you actually have a username that people will remember. For example, my name is Daniela Golubeva, right? My username is Daniela Golubeva. That's it. Because if people, just think about these two names, okay? Daniela Golubeva, like the one I have right now, or Daniela.224._369 Golubeva. Which one are you gonna remember tomorrow or in 1 week? Probably you're gonna remember the first one. If you remember both, then you're just a genius. But so think of a username that people will remember. If your name isn't free, you can add 1 or 2 numbers, but don't add 1,000 numbers and think that people will remember your username. Now we are going to start with the most interesting part, how you can gain a lot of followers, and not only followers, but likes too, because likes are very important. So I guess one of the most important things in TikTok is post frequently. So of course you can film 30, 40, 50 TikToks in 1 day and post them all in the same day. But then if you forget about TikTok for 2 weeks or a month and then post again, no one is it's not that cool like as if you posted once a day, 1 TikTok every day, or 2 TikToks, and maybe not even every day, but every 2 days. But try to post frequently, and you don't have to post 50 TikToks in 1 day. Maybe you think it will help you a lot, but if you post a lot of TikToks every single day, maybe it does help. But if you post 50 TikToks in 1 day and then you forget about TikTok, it's not gonna help. So as we know that the frequency of posting TikTok is very important, we're going to talk about the next thing, which is the quality of the TikToks. So to have good quality TikToks, having the best phone in the world is not the most important thing. Because of course if you have the iPhone 11 Pro Max, maybe the quality is going to be better. But you can have any phone and the quality can still be good. For example, one of the most important things is good lighting. So right now I'm going to show you what I do with the lighting, so my lighting is good in every single TikTok. Guys, as you can see right now, here, my lighting is pretty good, but the problem is I have a ring light, then I have more lights there, and of course we're not going to put so many lights to film TikToks every single day. So if you don't have lights, well, I still have lights and prefer to film my TikToks on the window. So just look at this. You have seen how the lighting is there, right? If I stand close to a window, just look at how good the lighting is. So this is the window. It's not the biggest, but it's pretty big. But if you have a window this size, like just this, it's still very good, and the lighting is gonna be better than with those lights. So once we know how to make our TikToks good quality, we're gonna go to the next thing, which I think is also very, very important. So this will help you gain a lot of likes. So I think everyone knows what the For You page is, right? It's a page that, well, when you enter TikTok or when you open TikTok, you have 2 pages. You have following. So there are gonna be TikToks of the people you follow, and then there's the For You page. In the For You page, there's just gonna be TikToks from people you don't know. So how do you get on the For You page? Many people want to get on the For You page and they can't. So of course this is right now, before my TikToks didn't have so much views. But for example, my TikToks here have 200,000 views, 300,000 views, maximum 400,000 views, which was this one. By the way, they blocked it so it can't get so many views, right? So people can't see it right now. But whatever, let's just not talk about that. So as you can see, this TikTok in the middle has 659,000 views, and of course that's a lot. So then I started getting a lot of likes and I was like, what is happening here? Something's not normal. So this TikTok right now has almost 110,000 likes, and that's a lot for me. Like usually my TikToks get, I don't know, 50, 40,000 likes, but now 110,000. So I was like, okay, something must have happened. Like this can't be true. So how to know your TikTok got on the For You page? So if you're still not very sure, this is what you can do. You can switch to Pro account on TikTok, which is totally free. You just go to settings and then switch to Pro account. And like that, if you do that, you can see your analytics, and that will help a lot to see if your TikTok has gotten on the For You page. So yeah, just keep that in mind. You can switch to Pro account. And then once you have a Pro account, what do? You open the TikTok. You want to see if it has gotten on the For You page or not. You click on the 3 dots, and then the first button down below is analytics. It's like this line, right? So you click, and then you have those analytics. So for example, you can see how many people have shared that TikTok, how many hours in total people have seen of that TikTok. For example, people have seen 1,487 hours. Then you can see how much people see of your TikTok in general. Then this is the thing which is the most important to see if it has gotten or has not gotten on the For You page. 64% of the people that has seen this TikTok have seen it because it was on the For You page. So that's how you see it, right? Then 26% of the people have seen it because they just were looking at your account and then saw that TikTok and clicked on that TikTok. And then 10%, it's people who follow you have seen that TikTok. So that is how you know how it got on the For You page. Now, how to get on the For You page. This is a little bit harder, but I'm just gonna show you. For example, why did this TikTok get on the For You page and not another TikTok? For example, this TikTok is 8 seconds, right? And people have seen, well, in general, some people see more, some people see less, but in general, people see 8 seconds. Of those 8 seconds. So TikTok thinks, okay, I think this TikTok is interesting. Let's put it on the For You page. But apart from that, also a very important thing are the likes and the comments. So if people comment a lot on that TikTok, TikTok will think, okay, maybe this is interesting too. So maybe they will put it on the For You page too. And as you see, 380 people have shared that TikTok, and that's also very, very cool. So also keep that in mind. Make interesting TikToks. You can either film trending TikToks, which are, for example, you go to any, so you go to Charli D'Amelio's account and you click on any TikTok and then film that TikTok. Probably that TikTok is already trending because it's Charli D'Amelio, and any TikTok she posts any dance she posts becomes trendy. You can try to film trending TikToks, or you can make original content, different content, which you think will be interesting or funny and people will actually like. So you have those 2 options. So So the last thing I'm gonna tell you, this method didn't work for me, but if you have like about 10, 20 followers and wanna gain, I don't know, wanna get to 100 followers, then this may help you only a little bit though. You can go to any popular account of a TikToker you like, a TikToker that gains a lot of followers or just has a lot of followers in general. So you go to that TikTok and then you see followers. That person may have 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, a million, 20 million followers, whatever TikToker you want, right? And then you see their followers and start following those followers. And then maybe that people will see you and look at your account and decide to follow you. And also, oh, by the way, I also wanted to tell you one last thing. Also, if you look at your For You page, right, and comment on many TikToks which still don't have much likes, you can comment on that TikTok, and then maybe people, when they look at the comments, they see your comment and decide to click on your account. But that still doesn't help that much. So those were all of my tips. Good luck on gaining followers. It's really, really fun and very interesting. So the most important thing is don't give up. If you post a lot and still don't gain followers, just don't give up. Just keep on posting and you will get either on the For You page or just get a lot of followers. So that's a very important thing, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!